Hi, I am Emma from Fleetroute. Let's look at the future of delivery software. Before we go ahead, would you like to get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software? If yes, visit www.fleetroute.com. In the past few years, delivery software has revolutionized the way we shop and receive our packages. From Amazon to Uber Eats, the convenience of having items delivered right to our doorstep has become a part of our daily lives. But what does the future hold for delivery software? One of the most exciting advancements in delivery software is the use of drones. Amazon has already begun testing their Prime Air delivery service in select locations, delivering packages to customers' homes in 30 minutes or less. As drone technology continues to improve, we can expect to see more companies utilizing this method of delivery, especially for items that are small and lightweight. Another innovation in delivery software is the use of self-driving vehicles. Companies like Uber and Google are already investing in this technology, and it's not hard to imagine a future where we receive our packages from a self-driving truck or van. This would not only increase efficiency and speed up delivery times, but could also reduce costs and emissions by optimizing delivery routes. But perhaps the most exciting development in delivery software is the use of virtual reality. Imagine being able to try on clothes or see furniture in your own home before making a purchase. This technology could also be used to enhance the delivery experience, allowing customers to see a virtual representation of their package before it arrives and even track its delivery in real time. Of course, none of these advancements would be possible without the use of smartphones and other mobile devices. As more people rely on their phones to shop and order deliveries, we can expect to see even more improvements in delivery software that cater to the needs of mobile users. The future of delivery software is filled with exciting possibilities that will continue to transform the way we shop and receive our packages. From drones and self-driving vehicles to virtual reality and mobile devices, the possibilities are endless. So next time you order a package, remember that the future of delivery software is closer than you think. Get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software at www.fleetroute.com.